wanna get away.
Welcome back to Hotel Level, where we dive into the finest hotel experiences in Bangkok. Today, we're checking in at the 10600, a sophisticated and modern riverfront boutique hotel nestled in a hidden corner of the city. This is a small hotel with only 31 guest rooms across 5 room types. The intimacy of this hotel gives me the feeling of a fancy guest house, but with hotel facilities. As soon as you arrive at 10600, you are immediately struck by how tucked away this hotel is. It's like a pirate's treasure just waiting to be discovered. But don't let this unassuming entrance fool you, because behind these doors is a masterpiece of elegance and style.
Come away with me and I'll erase the pressure.
We are staying in the Klong San Suite, a stunning duplex room that truly epitomizes luxury. Let's take a look inside.
You wanna go, you wanna leave, so baby come and get away with me.
The first floor is all about comfort and necessities and taking in the breathtaking river view.
Go on a holiday.
The bedroom as well as the bed faces the river, and with floor-to-ceiling windows, you have a spectacular view of the serene swimming pool in front of the hotel, as well as the lush garden, the private jetty where the hotel's boat is docked, and of course the river view. The room details are impeccable, from the classy light and power fittings to the luxurious bedding. Everything here is designed to exude elegance. There is a minibar, not complimentary, but there are 2 convenience stores at the end of this alley where it meets the main road, about a 5-minute walk from the hotel. Also, there is another shopping center a bit further, probably about 15 minutes walk from here, and beyond that, there is a huge luxury shopping mall about 30 minutes walk from here. However, you can also use the hotel's tuk-tuk, as well as the shuttle boat service to take you there. They use Panpuri amenities throughout the hotel. It's a Thai company founded right here in Bangkok in 2003, and you'll find their aromas in many top-notch hotels. This distinctive lemongrass and mandarin fragrance always makes me happy. While you soak in the elegance of this room, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe, like and share this video. 45% of you watching this video right now are not yet subscribed to my channel. I could really use your help. This Riverview room is great, but the real surprise and what you're really paying for is upstairs, where you'll find your own private splash pool overlooking the river. Whether you're lounging on the bunny pad or enjoying your alfresco shower, it feels like your personal paradise. There's a ceiling fan up here, something so necessary, especially for us foreigners. It's very often I find hotels where they have a wonderful outdoor area, but it's just so hot and humid that you cannot really enjoy it. So this is great. Well done, 10600. So how much is it for your little piece of heaven? At the time of checking in, this room was priced at about 7,500 Thai baht per night. One of the things I love about this hotel is the contrast between the bright sun-soaked outdoors and the calming dark corridors inside. The warm floor lighting provides a soothing reprieve from the unforgiving Thai sun. And then you enter the elevator. It's a bit bright in here, especially if you come in from the lobby. As you stroll through the corridors, this maze-like layout makes the hotel feel a lot bigger than what it really is. And every now and again, as you turn a corner, you find these pockets of gardens sneaking some natural sunlight into the building. The hotel beautifully blends modern amenities with touches of elegant Thai antiques. The corridors are adorned with stunning vintage pieces, adding a layer of history to this modern oasis. And if you are wheelchair bound or can't manage steps very well, they do have these platform lifts throughout the hotel too. Beyond the rooms, the hotel offers surprisingly good facilities, including a small fitness center which is available 24 hours, rooftop swimming pool with beautiful views of the local area and river. The Dark Waters rooftop bar is open from 5 to 11 p.m. with ample comfortable seating. And the Ambrosia restaurant on the ground floor is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and live music in the evenings. And there's a serene pool right in front of the hotel facing the river. Don't forget to make use of the beautiful lush lawn and comfortable seating, as well as picnic areas set up on the grass. And getting around is a breeze, with complimentary boat and tuk-tuk rides provided by the hotel to take you to popular spots. There's also car parking available at the hotel. This area is called Klong San. It is an up-and-coming district with some trendy spots and high-profile locations like the luxury supermall icon Siam. Link to my video of that mall in the description below. You could actually walk there from the hotel. It'll take you around 30 minutes, or you could also use the hotel's complimentary tuk-tuk or shuttle boat service, the latter being the most scenic method by far. 10600 offers various room types to suit different needs and tastes. Here's a quick look at other room types. This room type is Lumpur, specifically room 209. I asked the hotel for me to show you this particular room because I came here last week to do a site inspection and I was utterly overwhelmed with the warm feeling and homely comfort and unmistakable awareness of luxury. If it's extra floor space you're after, then I would recommend the Maharaj, but there's only one of these rooms in the whole hotel. You can easily fit an extra bed into this room if you need to. The Wat 3 room type has a really cool bathtub in the room. If you're looking for a balcony, then I would recommend the Tiwa room type.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Don't catch me, baby.
I have two tiki cocktails here. They are both the same cocktail. It's the berry bitten. But it's great sitting out here with this view. There's a bit of a breeze too. They've got music. From here you can see Asiatique. Oh, by the way, you see that ship over there? That's the Sirimahannop. I reviewed that restaurant too. You can see the review by clicking on the link in the details below. It's really a special place, this. It's very chilled up here and you have these river cruise boats in the background, all colorful. It's a beautiful spot, this. Another great complimentary service of the hotel is that you can jump onto the shuttle boat and at 7 p.m. it does a special trip and takes you past Wat Arun, which is really beautifully lit up at night, like all yellow lights. So this is what this whole voyage was about, coming all the way down the river to this place. This is Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn, probably the most famous temple in Thailand. So right now it's closed, you cannot go there at the moment, but that is the whole purpose of this trip, so that we can come and view it at night, because when it's all lit up like this, it really is majestic. We are at the Ambrosia restaurant now for a dinner. Got myself a calamari as an appetizer. They got some live music playing, like Thai music. It's very cool. Plus the ambience, the soft lighting in this restaurant is really awesome, with the backdrop of the swimming pool behind me and the river. Yeah, it's a very nice restaurant. I like it here. I'm very impressed with the a la carte menu so far. This is the risotto. That is truly fantastic. Very, very good. It is dessert time. This is the chocolate lava with coconut ice cream. It's a very crowded city, so people are fighting for a bit of space, and here we are with this really beautiful, sweet, fantastic view. I like the lights in the background, and this water is so nice.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you
You can also have a floating breakfast right here in your private pool. They certainly brought us enough food here. So if you have breakfast included in your room stay, then you have to pay 500 baht extra to have the floating breakfast in your room. If you do not have breakfast included, then it's going to cost you 500 baht per person for breakfast, plus still 500 to have it in the room. So just so that you're aware of that. I often say how quiet and peaceful it is at some of the hotels I visit. But yeah, it's really quiet. I think also because this hotel is so small, so there's not so many guests here. But even right now, there's no noise from the river. It's super peaceful.
Crowd, but I only...
As my husband and I celebrate our 12th wedding anniversary year, I can't help but feel that the 10600 offers something truly special. It's more than just a place to stay. It's a retreat that feels both modern and timeless, with a personal touch that you don't often find in larger hotels.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun...
The breakfast here is a la carte buffet style, so all of these things we ordered a la carte, and then there's a couple of things on the buffet section. Before I check out, let me share with you some final thoughts. 4 years of reviewing hotels, and I'm always looking for that elusive, perfect hotel. I think I found it, and I do not say this lightly. This hotel is absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for a stay that combines elegance, privacy, intimacy, and impeccable design, then I think that the 10600 is the perfect choice. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hotel Eval for more in-depth hotel reviews across Bangkok. Until next time, happy travels.